Hi, today we are going to discuss how to do your second assignment. So first, open up your assignment and your lab exercise folder as well. Okay, so we are going for the second one. So this one is basically very much similar to the first one in terms of the steps. So this round, the previous one we used thinness ratio. Now we use this Euler number. So you're required to set up an experiment to verify the usefulness of Euler number in measuring the number of holes. So for this, you need to prepare sample images. So you can prepare using Paint. Okay, so what is a sample image? So your sample image should contain objects. All right, so with one hole, two holes, and so on. Right, so what I'm going to do now is to show you how you create your sample image by using Paint. Start Paint. Okay, maybe something like this. So I think first we put in the background, green color. Okay, you can use any color you like. And next we are going to create object. Maybe we put a red color. So we create, field, solid field, outline, maybe no outline at all. So it's white color, so I think red. Okay, one object, two object, 3, 4, 6 should be sufficient. Okay, so this one no holes. So to create holes, we use the same color. Use a circle or any shapes you like. This one with one holes. Okay, so we use circle, one hole, two holes, three holes, four holes. Okay, so we're done. So now we can save. So save as a JPEG image. All right, so I'm gonna save in my MATLAB working directory together with all the files. So this is for my assignment 2A. Okay. Okay, so once you have the image, we can begin. Okay, next you can refer to the additional notes so that you can have a guide step by step how to do the modification to the existing candy production. So since I have done for first assignment, so I already have the candy production here. So I can start by opening up, and then as usual, I save as my assignment 2A. Okay, so all right, now you can refer to the steps. Okay, so I already have the candy production copied there and saved as assignment 2. Next, I'm ready. Before that, make sure you have the images that you need to process. So I have just saved it here. So this is my image. So I'm going to start modifying my codes. So first change the image file name. And of course, before that, make sure that you comment or the pause. Okay, maybe this one you can skip. Okay, so we're going to block command. So we're going to test the first step, which is reading images. So let's run. So make sure that you're able to read the image. So done. So first, the second step is actually to segmentation. So as usual, go to segmentation. All right, run. Okay, copy the background, double click. Okay, make sure you're able to, segment out the image, the objects. So next you need to go for the morphological operations. So you need to make sure that they'll use the right size. Okay, I'm going to comment all those after this, and I'm trying to run. Okay, and all right, so seems okay with this, not much problem. Okay, so don't have to change. Okay, next, going to up until region props. Okay, so now you need to modify this. So since we are talking about Euler number, so this one should be Euler number, but you have to double confirm. So you can go to help, double check what is the name of the properties. Okay, do we have Euler here? Yes, Euler number, double click this one. Oh, sorry. Euler number. And this. All right, and as usual, you need to verify that. So run, okay, background, okay. So you have to check the output, which is here in main features. So check 5 objects. All right, so we do have 5 objects. Do we have 5 objects? Yes, we have 5 objects, which is correct. So that is to make sure that we have the right segmentation. And then, so Euler number, make sure the Euler number is correct. So, all right. So maybe we can show, yeah, visualize what is our image. In features. One dot image. Okay. So this is the image. So double check. The Euler number is 1. Object 1 minus no holes, 1 minus 0, so 1. So this is correct. So and then we can check. So as you can see, when you develop code, it's important for you to know how you want to verify. It varies depending on what you want to check. Okay, here, this one, we have 3 holes, so 1 minus 3 negative 2, correct? So I check for the last one, maybe number 5. So 2 holes, 1 minus 2, -1, which is correct. So basically I already got the Euler number that I want. So next thing, I need to show the number of holes in each object. So because the objective of this is we want to check if Euler number can be used to measure number of holes. So how do we calculate the number of holes from Euler number? All right, so if you look at the notes, the equations of Euler number is number of object minus number of holes. All right, so in this case, all our object okay. If you look at the object just now, we have extracted each object. So basically the number of object for each object is actually 1. Okay, 1, 1, 1, 1. All right. Okay. So then we need to compute our number of holes. Okay. So object holes is equal to, so if you look at this, do a little bit of algebra, you have your one number of holes. All right, so and you have Euler number, so we need to change the position. So this thing, this one move over here. So it become positive. All right. So then this one will move over to the right side. So positive now become negative. Okay. So now your number of holes is actually number of object minus hole. And we know that our number of object is 1 because we have extracted them. So this is how we calculate number of holes. So 1 minus Euler number. So 1 minus, this is the Euler number. All right. So again, we try to run and we verify that we got the things right. Okay. So if you look at your output, this is the number of holes. So we double check. So buying features, so for number 1, so is 1 minus 1, so you get 0 holes. 1 minus minus 2, so basically you have 3 holes. And just now the last one is negative 1 minus minus 1, so you get 2. So basically this is correct. So we are ready to proceed further. Okay, and slightly different, we don't need to complete the average because we are not trying to classify anything because we already have our values. We want number of holes. So next thing what we need to do is just need to display, all right, title. There is, okay, we need to use the plural and singulars. Okay, how to display 0 hole, 1 hole, 2 holes, 3 holes, and so on. Okay, so there is, so if you notice for singular, 0 and 1, so we put if use tab to minimize typo error. this object, sorry. Not this one anymore. All features. Same object whole. So if whole is less than 2, then there is whole, and then we are going to use num to string to convert this so that it becomes part of the text. Okay, and this one, they are. Okay, anything less than 2, greater than 2, we're going to use wholes. Okay, so let's try to, okay, so we are done. So this one can remove and run. Okay, some error. So click this to show what error is this. Unexpected. Oh, okay, so we need to concatenate a string by using bracket operator. Okay, so now I think we should be error free. Try to run again. Okay, background. So 0 hole. Oh, you can see now you need to have a space. Okay, so here there should be a space. Should be a space. Okay, 0 hole correct, 3 holes correct, 4 holes correct. So that's how we verify. So we try to use the features and eventually we are able to display the number of holes correctly. Correct in the sense we check against our visual to the image. So we check against what we see using our eyes. And this is the results the computer has detected. So basically that is correct, 1 hole. Okay, 2 holes. All right, so if I try to run again, so that we have updated with, okay, 0 hole, and then this is singular, 0 hole, 3 holes, there are 4 holes, there is 1 hole, there are 2 holes. All right, so basically that is how you try to solve assignment 2. All right, thank you.